qualified.
I don't know how you're doing. So how can I help you, Agent?
Mr. Braddock's last appointment, was he acting strangely at all?
Not that I recall, no.
Did he say anything unusual or mention where he was going after the appointment?
It's fine.
It was just yesterday afternoon.
Yesterday? No. Braddock's last drug treatment was 2 days ago, in the morning.
According to his calendar, he had a treatment yesterday at 4:17 p.m.
Not a medical treatment. Brad was under my exclusive care. And not to be indelicate, Agent, but when do I get access to the body?
Access?
I need to examine it. Obtain tissue samples from my research.
To take that up at the coroner, and she's working on another case. Might keep her busy for a few days. Excuse me.
Allow me.
Thank you, ma'am. Take my advice. Don't be cancer.
Sounds like good advice. Although you do seem spry despite all.
You know, why not? Well, Western wisdom says I should have been dead 9 months ago. Good luck. I made it to the bonus round.
You credit the drugs here.
It could be the drugs.
Could be the tea.
You have the tea?
Yeah, I can smell it in your handbag. No need. I got a very strong whiff of it in Archer Braddock's kitchen. Oh, no. I'm helping the police solve the murder.
Well, I was the one who told Archer about the tea. I saw him a few weeks back, and he wasn't looking so good. But he had this air of finality hanging over him like a piano on a wire.
Where would one buy a tin of that stinky tea if they had to?
You closed the shop in the middle of the day.
Oh, I just forgot to fill the sign.
Anyway, so Braddock drinks stinky tea. People are dying to try anything.
No, the stuff that Braddock tried was working. And so he thought.
Has something to do with this murder?
No idea. But if Braddock found a cure for cancer, I want to know. Welcome. I'm Brother Joseph.
Oh, and I am not a husband.
Patrick Jane, nice to meet you. That was a wonderful show. How much you charge for that show? Another non-profit, smart act. I get that reaction a lot. But the healing powers of the sun have been well documented. And where's the tea fit in? Tea? Yeah, the stinky red stuff curls the nose hairs. You're talking about the tea of clarity. Pretty foul stuff. I had to take it off our shelves recently. Too many customer complaints.
What's in it?
A proprietary blend of nettles, herbs, and possibility. And how much does that go for these days? You have me all wrong. I am a rich man, but you won't find my wealth in any bank account. I sell just enough teas and holistic remedies to keep my temple doors open.
And did you open them to this man?